Happy Easter, everybody. It's the one and only Titus, and we are doing an experiment. As you can see, there's a peep in this microwave, and we're going to microwave it for about, 45 seconds. Alright, and we're going to see what happens. Thankfully, you can kind of see it. I think it's already expanding. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Oh my god.
It's super fat.
Oh jeez. Easter bunnies had one too many carrots. Oh my god.
It's half the size of the plate.
This is awesome. Oh my god. That is crazy. Look at the size of that thing.
It's gonna be very hot.
Look at that.
Go get a regular one, put it next to it.
Okay.
Kind of messed up his face a little bit. Oh, he's deflating.
Oh, see, look. This was before, this was after. A deflating, overweight peep with a facial deformity. Happy Easter, everybody. Good night.